there seems to be a sudden growth of modern and global schools in the country. What are your views on that?
I think that was bound to happen. There is a lot, I think the world is becoming a smaller place now with so much international population coming into our country, and similarly we traveling so much. So getting opportunities to our country I think makes a lot of sense, which is why these schools, and obviously we're also opting for those schools now. So.
There are various curriculums which are being offered at all the schools now. What are your opinions about them, or what are the differences that you see as a parent?
I think largely, at least speaking of this particular area, I think largely we get to choose between CBSE and then the international board, which is the IGCSE board. So as after all the research that I have done, I think the difference that I find is there's a lot of emphasis on written tests and everything. There's a lot of books that you need to do in CBSE, whereas in IGCSE it's more hands-on. Everything is more practical, and you get to choose a variety of subjects. You can choose as per your personal favorites also, and you get a choice to experiment, to learn, and they also conduct not only written tests but a lot of oral and listening. So there's an overall development that you can actually aim at when you're choosing an IGCSE over a CBSE.